Hi, so I'm going to show you real quick what I do with both keychains. This I was leftover epoxy I poured in a mold. Here's the mold. Got this one off Amazon, and it was with black glitter. And as you might be able to see, I'm not sure, it's not shiny like the backside. And this is on a acrylic blank. It's an acrylic circle I got from Craft Chameleon, and it's a water slide image I put on there. If you've never done water slide, I have a video on my channel as well. And I basically now need to seal this acrylic blank with epoxy. So I have leftover epoxy from when I just did the cup. So get some on a stick, and then, as you know, epoxy is self-leveling. I just dab it on there, kind of help it go to the edge. And that should be good. So just, make it go to the edge. Unless you bring it over the edge, it's not going to overflow. As you might have seen, this one already had a hole pre-drilled, which I will have to re-drill since the hole will fill with epoxy now too. And to make this shine up, I am just drizzling some epoxy on top. I'm going to use a toothpick to kind of get it all in here. So I'm going to just drizzle some. And I'm being messy, sorry. I'm just trying not to make this video too long. I know I'm one of those, if I see the video is 2 hours long, I'm probably not going to watch it. I like quick to the point videos. So that's what I'm trying to do for you guys. So I'm spreading it in all the little crevices with my toothpick. And then I'm going to move it over here because I made a mess over there. I'm going to let it dry on my silicone mold just in case there's a little runoff. That way it won't stick to anything. And I'll keep checking on this acrylic ground especially to make sure it's not getting any bubbles. If it's getting bubbles, I'm going to pop them with my dryer. Not directly because we don't want to blow up epoxy everywhere. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.